In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website by installing an SSL certificate through Hostinger and setting it up on WordPress. In just a few simple steps, you'll have a secure connection for your website, providing peace of mind for both you and your visitors. First, let's start by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. If you're new to Hostinger, hPanel is their user-friendly interface, where you can manage all your hosting services. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled SSL. This is where you'll be able to install your SSL certificate. SSL certificates are crucial as they encrypt the data transferred between your visitors and your website, which significantly increases security. Now that you're in the SSL section, you'll have the option to install a free SSL certificate. Hostinger provides these for free to ensure your site is secure without added costs. Just click on the option to install, and it will start the setup process for you. This installation can take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's installed, Hostinger will automatically configure it for your domain. The next step is to log into your WordPress dashboard. WordPress is where you'll make changes to your website's appearance and settings, and it's also the platform where you'll ensure that your SSL certificate is properly activated. In the dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section. Plugins are tools that can extend the functionality of your WordPress site, making it easier to accomplish various tasks without having to do any coding. Here, we are going to install a very helpful plugin called Really Simple SSL. To do this, click on Add New in the plugin area. In the search box, type Really Simple SSL, and once you see it appear in the list, click Install Now. After installation, you'll need to activate it by clicking the Activate button. Once the plugin is active, it will guide you through the process of enabling HTTPS, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. This is the secure version of HTTP, where communications between your browser and the website are encrypted. Follow the prompts given by the plugin. These may include testing your SSL certificate or converting your site's links to secure ones. The plugin does a great job of ensuring everything is set up correctly and even provides troubleshooting options if something doesn't seem right. And there you have it. With these steps, your website is now secured with SSL, and your visitors can browse confidently knowing their data is safe. Remember, having HTTPS not only secures your site, but also boosts your search engine rankings, as it's a factor used by Google when ranking websites. Keep your website secure and your visitors happy by ensuring your SSL certificate is always active and updated. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.